Hi there, I'm Miles, and today we're going to get you started with your GOM Scan 1. In this Getting Started video, we'll be teaching you how to calibrate the GOM Scan 1. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. When calibrating the GOM Scan 1, the camera orientations and lens corrections will be calculated. It's a procedure that you can do by yourself. Your GOM Scan 1 system arrives with all the needed accessories. Recalibration can be needed after a thermal or mechanical shock. The good thing is that the sensor can automatically detect when it has become decalibrated and will inform you if it is needed to recalibrate. In normal operation, it could range from a few days up to several weeks between recalibration. Calibrating the GOM Scan 1 is done using the calibration panel you receive with the system. In order to position the panel, you also receive the calibration object holder. After assembling the holder, you put it onto the table and position the calibration panel. The sensor is then placed in front of the calibration panel. The calibration procedure is launched from the setup workspace in the GOM Inspect software. Once it's launched, all you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to move the plate backwards, forwards, rotate the plate, and position it in the different inclination slots of the calibration object holder. After a few minutes, you'll have taken all of the needed pictures in order to calculate the new calibration model. Once the calibration procedure is finished, you're ready to start scanning with your GOM Scan 1. If you experience anything different from what you've seen here, or if you have any issues with your GOM Scan 1, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com. For more getting started information, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.